Alright guys,
Just saw a Cybertruck for the second time.
On the road. And it's actually far away. Well, not that far away, but it's kind of far away. Like probably 12 feet. And it's really shaky because we're in the car. But that is a Cybertruck if I've ever seen one. I've seen one once. This is my second time seeing one. Oh, dang it, no. We need to get a better view on it. No! Don't go ahead of that car! No! No! Stop it! No! Come on! No! No! We can almost see it. It's like reaching it. We're almost there. It's 1 minute and 11 seconds, more seconds now. We're almost there. We're almost there. You can see it. Oh my goodness. That thing is a triangle. That thing is a hard triangle. That it looks like a 2-year-old's drawing. Look at that thing. Oh, you can't really see it anymore. You can see the front. Looks like a 2nd grader's drawing, bro. Why does it look like that? That is so cool. I've never been that close to one. Oh, and they're going up, they're going up. They're going faster. Oh, that was a great view right there. Oh my goodness. I'm so hyped, bro. So cool. Right there, speeding off. And as it speeds off, we're going to close this video. Goodbye, everybody. Hope you have a great day. If it's daytime when you're seeing this. If it's not, have a great night. Yeah, goodbye.
This is how I felt filming this.